So let us find RS. RS means this side length. So this is requested. So what we are going to do, first we have to find this degree, and then we have to find this one. Then we'll define the length, the side length, or RS. So the first thing what we are going to do, just 180 minus just this degree, 120 degree is equal to alpha. So alpha will be 60 degree. So this is 60 degree, right? 60 degree. So we know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So 30 plus 60, this one is 30, 60 plus R is equal to 180 degree. So that means R is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. So R is just 90 degree. So that means this one, it is 90 degree. Then next, to find this one, what we are going to do, just we can use now our ordinary sine and cosine rules. Just sine 30 degree is opposite to the 30 degrees, this side, which is RS, over just hypotenuse, this one QS, right? So QS is given, it is 6 units. So that means sine 30 degree times 6 is equal to RS. So RS is equal to 1 over 2 times 6, which will be 3 units. So the answer will be this one.